It's not really an actual. No, it's not actually. Hey guys, good morning. I am CJ and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm gonna take you to my day here at the boarding house while I am working. And take note, guys, it's gonna be my first time having a night shift here. Yo. So apparently I had to work night shift just today due to some circumstances at work. So I'm gonna take you there. Sa ako ang first time ever night shift. So but for that, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share, peace and love. So actually ganyan ako ni mata guys kay almost 12 naman. So nagluto ng oron, then mayroong luto adobo. Today is Tuesday, second day of the weekend. I barely survived yesterday. It's Monday, it's GG time, no? But now I think Tuesday kay GG time again. GGB all the time. Gulong buhay. But now the weather is gloomy and it's raining. Baguhay lang. This is supposed to be a software engineer video, di ba? Pero nga nung kaniman akong ipakita. Mga ano ta guys, okay, gutom na ako. Okay guys, so I have to sleep now because I know I need some energy later on. So work night shift. May cut first time na ako, so di ko sure if makaya ba na ako. But sa unang panahon pa lang hapon, kay kaya ram gito na akong overtime galing na tamang alas 5 kadlaw na alas 6 sa buntag mo siguro to. Pero kas aram sa tupon. Di day ako pinakadugay din ako day kay katun ako sa Singapore day nga ning 8 may alas 6 sa buntag niya na out na may alas 3 sa kadlaw. Natin kayo, no? Well guys, if kamo ganahan mo mag-software engineer guys, always be prepared for overtimes gyud kay kanya mga panahon gyud nga you have to complete gyud a project, especially if na mga high priority or high escalated ng mga issues sa productions no nga tahanan ninyo ipang fix. Na siya cost guys if ever na mga high priority issues nga dili siya ma-solve diha dayon. So kana mo na siya usa sa mga sad reality, sad life no sa software engineer. So karon kay matulog ta yung matatag alas 5 sa hapon o alas 6 sa gabi siguro para mag-dinner kay masugsubo magsugod og work. But before that, let's do a biro dali. Yun ako mag-hype kay kanang para pambaduka sa kuba iba na. Go on. Alright, so matawag sa ko guys. See you later guys. Peace and love. Good morning! I think I'm too early. Sayo ko ni mataron. Pero anad mong tapo nga mamot. Can't really sleep kaya naman ang basket ko. So medyo sabah-sabah. Pero di mo sa permanente pag mag-basket po. Maybe I'm just gonna prepare. So kung sa prepare para trabaho yan, para sutso guys. Muli ko na siguro ko, remote na kayo eh. Una kung nang pilit na kayo. Okay guys, so fresh na ako guys. So atong mga nag-work from home diha, kaligo sa tamang panag sa taon eh. Kawaw po na upan diha ka nag-work from home, ligo. Karon maligo ta kay tanggal sa mga buling-buling ba. Mag-prepare ta sa tong dinner. Ako ra i-reheat ako ang giluto ganiya udto kay handam to sobra. Let's do that. Okay guys, so muna ko uginit sa ko ang sudan. Ako na naghiwat ako ang rice mo man check init po. So napamantay ako nga oras. So wala lang lingaw diri sa atong work from home. Magkuan ta tuwa ta og Ragnarok mobile. So katong mga nasignan ko mga subscribers diya, nagduwa og kana Ragnarok mobile. Paki-invite sa akin please akong ibutang IGN sa comment section. Kay para duwa-duwa ta ba lingaw ta. Kayo know na since work from home man ta, wala kay tayo laing lingaw no. Unlike sa unang work from office na kuan kana pwede ta maka chika-chika sa imong mga office mates, pwede mo maka interact karon kay pandemic man, so wala, nga lang ta. Namuna day ko sa ko ang kuan sa akong dinner ganiya, so it's almost time for me to work na. My first time mag night shift, so good luck for me. Ako na-prepare akong cube karon, so this is the actual start of the video. Kaya intro to siya. Tapos yung intro no. What now is the day in the life, or I'd rather say a night in the life of a software engineer while working at home. Just gonna give you a little background about my position. So I'm a professional services engineer. Professional services means we are customer facing, so we get into the customer more and we connect with them and talk to them directly. Unlike other software engineers where they are in research and development, they create products. But for our case, we create and customize products as per customers' requests. A usual routine for me is I check reports and tickets if there are tickets that was open from production. I code, create fixes, create new features or something like that. I also do status reports and brainstorming sessions where developers and clients meet to agree and discuss the details of a project. For now, I think I have a lot of things to work on, especially it's beginning of the week and we have a holiday tomorrow, so we have to squeeze all of our tasks into a shorter days. Supposedly, if we have a holiday, we need to plan out our project properly. So we have to consider all of those time offs and adjust our project plan. But since tomorrow's holiday is a surprise, actually it was just declared yesterday, it forces us to squeeze on schedule because we have to deliver the project on time. Well, I do love holidays, but not this time. I really don't like surprise holidays. Morning everyone. So I investigated the card 628. Musa gitawag nga daily stand up sa mo ang Scrum team. So it's a 15 to 30 minutes call together with the team, giving your daily updates, what you have done yesterday, what you're going to do today, and what are your blockers. So every day na siya ginabuhat sa mo ang team. Okay, para if ever na may mga impediments o na may mga blockers o may mga problems na di na ma-accomplish yung mga task, kaya mo ang ma-discuss niya, mag-mitigate dahil ang problem. So reviewing the code so that I can see what I can do to fix it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Continue to work on this card and hopefully provide a fix. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, that's barely 2 hours from start of shift and I'm feeling sleepy na. I try to not drink coffee because I tend to palpitate and palpitate and then after with that I'm gonna listen to music. Can't you see you're the one for me, but you belong to another. Time check, almost 12 na. Kapag yung ginawa maski usa, kay loading kayo ang internet. Maawa ka. Software engineer essentials. Kape. Because we turn coffee to code. Addict na puaning Omega guys. Hey guys, so we're down to our last hour sa itong shift, no? haba ng gyapon na may important meeting natin natin. Fingers crossed. Hello everyone. It's not really an actual. No, it's not actually a computer. We can still host it in the same. Yay, sa moto. Naman ako meeting. Saban na. Shut down in a way. Yay. Okay. Kaya kalag gumaan eh. Naman kita ko ang shift guys. Yeah. First time night shift. Survive. Murag hindi siguro ko silbihan eh. Kanang ko ano. Permanente on. Ano siya hayag na guys. Okay. So now I'm to ordering a Joby guys. Shit, hapit na nimulat akong gasolina. Mag-drive ako guys. Of course, yun ang ipagawa sa camera kay drive man ko. Yung GoPro kay Lopat. Let's go. Guys, so buntag na gid na. Ako dito sa Jollibee Oakridge, Jollibee amot atan ni Bisaya is Fortuna. So breakfast na kalay siya sa breakfast no. Pero usar mo ko mag night shift good. Kung sagutog night shift permanente no. Kapoy ra. Wala lang night differential. Naon ta guys. Okay, kanang I'm already in my bed, on my bed, whatever that is. Ano akong kaon ng breakfast and matulog na ko. Hopefully hinahat na ko akong tulog karon guys kay murag karon ako ani matulog buntag. Good luck ani. So I'm just gonna end my vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I hope nga nakalearn mo something ani nga video kay ano to. Actually mo gito ang kinabuhat yun kayo na mo sa as a software engineer. Wala kay physical movement, especially karon nga work from home. Pero napami sa office kay kato pwede may makalakaw-lakaw, makaato sa lab, kinana. Pero karon kay remote man, work from home, so mo na usually maglingkod na jud ko, then mag-remote ako sa mga devices na kinahanglan remote control ba niya mo to. Maraming meetings kasi Tagalog, maraming meetings kay dili mo may ka meet up in person and discuss in person, so that's it. And wala kayo may activities yun, so kana usually dok and then dili sa lingkuran lang medyo may reason nga sa katong likod sa hay hadi gid sa hay dai maninti dai muna. So ang advice ko sa inyo guys kay kuhan kayo magkuhan mo maglihok-lihok mo guys niya. Patakan ako gusto niya guys kay matug na ko gito ka na time to go I'm sleep na so kayo tingog kay nakatawag pa mga tao. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share this video to your friends and tag your friends kay kasi makarelate sila. Share peace and love. See you in the next video.